And now for our final award for the night, Wishers. Handa na ba kayong malaman kung sino yung Wish Artist of the Year?
Here are the nominees for Wish Artist of the Year.
Wish Artist of the Year. Philip. Janine. Pablo. DJ Montero. Tony J.
And the Wish Artist of the Year is...
Pablo.
Accepting the award on behalf of Pablo are Leia Gonzalez, Artist Manager, 1Z Entertainment, and Irma Ledesma, Marketing and Accounts Director, 1Z Entertainment.
But he left a message for us to read to everyone. So he said, first off, I want to thank Wish Music Awards for creating a platform that celebrates and uplifts OPM artists. It is truly an honor to be part of a community where music connects us all. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko to ina-expect kasi lahat ng nominated deserving manalo. Gayun pa man, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. Magbigyan man ng recognition o hindi, patuloy akong gagawa ng mga awitin.
And para sa lahat ng mga hotdog! 80! Maraming salamat sa buhay niyo to 1Z Entertainment, SB19. As we always say, atin to. This achievement is as much yours as it is mine. This one is for all of us. Let's go! Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, Pablo! He will also take home a cash prize worth 25,000 pesos. 100,000 pesos will be given to PGH Medical Foundation.
So much. Congratulations to all our artist category winners. All of you are winners. All of you are excellent.
Yes, and of course to the rest of the nominees, especially those who stayed, well-deserved. Congratulations, guys.
Ang gagaling nyo lahat. But wishers, don't go away yet because our next performers are set to cap off the evening on a heartwarming note. Maganda tong next na to.